Welcome to our channel. It's important to clarify that the College Board website and applications run on your computer's operating system, which means updating Windows 11 is not done through College Board itself, but rather through Windows Update. Here's how to update Windows 11 to ensure compatibility with College Board services. Step 1. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Step 2. Click on Settings, the gear icon, or type Settings in the search bar and press Enter. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Click on Check for Updates to see if there are any available updates for Windows 11. Step 5. If updates are available, Windows will automatically begin downloading them. You can see the progress on the Windows Update page. Step 6. Once the downloads are complete, click Install Now or Restart Now to install the updates. Some updates require a system restart. Step 7. Save all your work and close any open applications before restarting your computer. Step 8. After your computer restarts, Windows will complete the installation of updates. This may take several minutes. Step 9. Once the update is complete, open your web browser and go to the College Board website at collegeboard.org to ensure everything works properly. Step 10. If you experience any issues with College Board services after updating Windows 11, clear your browser cache or try using a different browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.